Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Gmail address, password, and whether two-step verification is enabled. Once done, open the Gmail app or your mail client and navigate directly to Settings or Accounts. This puts you where sync controls live. Make sure your device has an active internet connection and recent OS updates so Gmail can communicate reliably. If you use an app password, have it ready. These steps avoid authentication interruptions and let you begin the sync setup immediately. Next, select the specific Gmail account and choose Account Sync. You do this so the server and device exchange data. Turn on Mail, Contacts, Calendar, and any app data you need, because each toggle determines what syncs. Then configure sync frequency or fetch settings, automatic push if available, or a reasonable interval to balance immediacy versus battery. Also make sure background data and battery optimization won't block Gmail, otherwise sync pauses. These choices control what syncs and how promptly changes propagate. Finally, verify sync by opening Inbox, Contacts, and Calendar to confirm recent items appear. This proves the pipeline works. If something's missing, force a manual sync or restart the app to reinitialize connections. Make sure your account password is current, and if you use two-step verification, create an app password. These often resolve auth failures. If problems persist, check error messages in account settings and temporarily disable battery optimizations. Troubleshooting this way fixes the common causes of failed Gmail sync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.